Good morning, Carver Cougars. This is Dr. Hollenbeck with this morning's announcements. Today is Thursday, September 20th, 2018. It's a great day to be a Carver Cougar. Remember, treat others as you want to be treated. Upcoming events on Monday, September 24th, no school for students. Wednesday, we have a staff meeting, and don't forget Thursday, staff, we have Randigals with Phoebe Bailey. Also, students, remember, no cell phone use here at school. You can use them before school, after school, but here at school, we don't use them, especially during class time or out at recess. Teachers, don't forget, we take attendance promptly at 9 o'clock and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And let's all remember the 7 steps. Be sure, teachers, to use visuals and vocabulary strategies that support your objective or your learning target. Okay, it's now time for the science joke of the day. Question. How does the moon cut his hair? Answer. Eclipse it. Get it? If it is to be, it is up to me. 10 two-letter words to live by. And don't forget the Pledge of Allegiance. But wait, there's more. We're going to go into a little bit about fractions again. I hope you enjoy this one.
To Mash Up Math, Anthony here, and thank you for joining me on this practice problem. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back, and thank you for joining me on this lesson where we are going to explore the relationship between fractions that have a denominator of both 10 and 100. So let's start by looking at the fraction 5 over 10. We know that the whole is 10, which we can represent with this circle, and the part 5 is 1/2 of it. So 5 over 10 is equal to 1/2 because you would need 2 5s to equal 10 because 5 plus 5 equals 10. But what if we took this fraction 5 over 10 and multiplied the numerator and denominator by 10? The numerator, 5 times 10, would become 50, and the denominator, 10 times 10, would become 100. Now let's go ahead and visualize this new fraction the same way as we did with the last one. In this case, the whole is 100, and the part of 50 is the same thing as 1/2 of the whole.
Cool.
This should look familiar to the first fraction, 5 over 10, where we can see now that 5 over 10 is equal to 1/2, and 50 over 100 was also equal to 1/2. So we can conclude that 50 over 100 is equal to 5 over 10. These are what's called equivalent fractions. And by exploring and understanding this relationship, we can strengthen our number sense and apply this understanding to help us with future problems.